Hey guys, welcome back to the Nick Can't Swim channel, and this is the motorcycle reveal. I've never worked on a motorcycle before, I've never owned a motorcycle before, I've never ridden a motorcycle before, so this is all a learning experience. So what I'm working on is a 1996 gsf600, also known as a bandit. So when I bought it, the chain was loose, the rear light was blown, and the little gauge cluster was hard to read. A lot of things on this motorcycle are these hex bolts, which is kind of strange to get used to. It's not the prettiest bike in the world, but it's a start. I think I need to get a new chain pretty soon. It's on the last little indent, and I think that's what that means. Tightening the chain also adjusts the alignment, so I'm making sure I adjust these a quarter turn and then checking the chain. I'm a little ashamed I got the new hobby type of autism, because the bike gets all the love while the MX3 has skipped a tooth in the timing, so now it just sits. Thanks for hanging out with me again. I really do appreciate you sticking with me.